Students, today we will study physics CBSE course class 10th. In class 10th physics there are 4 chapters. First chapter light, reflection and refraction. Second chapter the human eye and the colorful world. Third chapter electricity and fourth chapter magnetic effects of करंट. क्लास 10th में सीबीएसई बोर्ड के अनुसार फिजिक्स में 4 चैप्टर्स पढ़ना है. ये 4 चैप्टर्स इस प्रकार से हैं. लाइट, इसमें 2 फेनोमेना है, रिफ्लेक्शन एंड रिफ्रैक्शन. और सेकेंड चैप्टर द ह्यूमन आई एंड कलरफुल वर्ल्ड. थर्ड चैप्टर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी और फोर्थ मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट्स ऑफ करंट. These 4 chapters you will study in class 10. Class 10th you will study first chapter light. Before studying light, now see the optics. What is the meaning of optics? A study of light. You will study about light in this optics chapter. What is light? Light is form of energy. Which type of energy? Invisible energy. Energy you cannot see, but light makes you able to see the things. जब कोई रात में है, डार्क रूम में हो, जब स्विच ऑन करते हो तो then there is a bulb glows, or this bulb gives you sensation, gives you energy to see the things. So light is a form of energy which makes you able to see the things. So then there are sources of light. There are 2 sources of light, artificial and energy. Artificial sources of light and original sources of light or real sources of light that you are not seeing here. ये हम original और artificial light source के बारे में नहीं पढ़ते हैं. Now the optics there are sub chapters. Optics you will study about light. Light has dual character, 2 behavior. Which 2 behavior? That you are getting source of light, and light this you are getting source as source. From light is coming outside in all direction. Bulb है, bulb से क्या है? Light going in all directions in the form of ray. So this you will see ray optics. Optics we can divide into 2 parts. Ray optics, here there is source of light is traveling in all directions in the form of ray. So ray optics you can say, or geometrical optics you can say. Now second one, light wave optics. Light behaves as a wave. जिस तरह से तालाब में स्टोन को ड्रॉप कर दोगे तो on the water surface wave will be formed, circular, and this wave will spread in all directions. In the same way here there is bulb. From bulb light is spreading in all directions in the form of wave. So optics we can divide into 2 parts, ray optics and here wave optics. Light has dual character, 2 character. Light behaves as a ray and light behaves as a wave. So optics is divided into 2 parts, ray optics and wave optics. In ray optics you will study, in class 12 you will study the reflection of light. These are the phenomena, these are the sub chapters. First chapter reflection of light, second refraction of light, third dispersion of light, and here fourth you are seeing optical instruments. Optical instruments, that is microscope, telescope. Microscope also compound microscope, simple microscope, telescope, astronomical telescope, Cassegrain telescope. These things you will see, you will study here. And here wave optics also there are sub chapters, sub phenomena. That is Huygens principle, first one. Second one, interference of light, given concept by Young, and diffraction of light, given concept by Fresnel. And here polarization of light. Here polarization also you will study, Malus law, Brewster's law. These things you will study. These chapters you will study in class 12. 10th you will study only reflection of light, only this reflection of light, refraction of light, dispersion. In class 10th only these 3 chapters you will study.